Very good morning, my dear students. Now, see, we are talking about how to find the area of circle. Area of circle. As you all know, that area of circle is pi r square. Okay. At first, what is the definition of circle? See, circle. When we start describing circle or how to define circle, we require to know locus. Locus means positioning of a point. Already you have studied who describe the position of a point in a plane in coordinate geometry. René Descartes. Here, locus of equidistant points. Locus of equidistant moving points. Moving points from fixed point is called circle. If this is the circle, then the fixed point is termed as center. And if we go through the definition, see, the fixed point is this, and equidistant point, suppose the distance is 2 centimeters. We assume that this point is 2 centimeters away from this point O. So taking all the points equidistant from center, and if we join this line, then the figure obtained by joining this line is called circle. Now, what we have to derive this formula pi r square. Area of circle is pi r square. So already we have known circle, definition of circle, the figure circle that divides the plane in 3 parts: interior, exterior and on the circle. Now, what is pi? Pi is the ratio of circumference and diameter. Diameter is twice the radius of the circle. See, the constant distance is called radius and diameter is called, or length of the diagonal can be found, diameter can be found multiplying 2 with the radius of the circle. So this is the diameter AB. See, circumference means the length of boundary of this circle is called circumference, and diameter, the ratio of these two is always a constant number, and that is equal to 22/7 or 3.14. Clear? See, now we have to find the area of circle pi r square. Let's see. Suppose this is a circle with radius r. If radius r is 1 centimeter, so you can assume that many small concentric circles with the same radii, you can draw inside the circle. As we all are drawing this circle manually, so you are watching that these gaps, but assume that all the gaps are filled by the concentric circles. Okay, so now you can say that the last circle, the biggest circle of this concentric circles is the circle with the radius r. Now, what is the length of the boundary of this bigger circle is circumference, that is equal to 2 pi r, because pi is equal to c by d. where d is 2 times radius of the circle. So circumference will be 2 pi r. If you multiply this term with this, you will get this. So here the length of boundary will be 2 pi r. Suppose if you want to make a cut, here if you want to make a cut, then this figure will be transformed to this figure. This the greatest circle will be the base with greater length, and all the circumference of the smaller circle will be settled on this line like this, and this will be a new figure, that is a triangle, where the circumference is the base. And see, you have make a cut from this to this, it means radius. So height of the circle will be the radius of the circle, see, r. Now this is a triangle with base 2 pi r, and height of this triangle is r, radius of the circle. And do you know what is the area of the triangle? Area of the triangle is half into base into corresponding height. Corresponding height. So it will be half into base is 2 pi r and height is again r. This 2 and 2 will cancel out. Now it will be pi r square. Square unit. Unit of area is always square unit. Clear? So this is the derivation of area of circle. Clear? Good day.